Everyone knows the classic camping hunchback walk. It is that awkward shuffle and crouch you have to do the moment you step inside a standard tent. You're trying to find your socks while your neck is bent at a painful angle and your knees are screaming for mercy. This high rise tent from Nemo is designed specifically to kill that experience once and for all. It is less like a nylon cave and more like a portable cabin you can toss in your trunk. The peak height is really the star of the show. At 77 inches, most adults can stand fully upright without their hair brushing the ceiling. That changes the entire vibe of a rainy afternoon. Instead of feeling trapped, you feel like you are just hanging out in a small room. You get about 83 square feet of floor space to play with. While the branding says it can hold 6 people, that is definitely the cozy limit. If you are a family of 4, it feels downright luxurious. You can actually fit your gear and your sleeping setups without feeling like sardines in a tin. The layout includes 2 doors and 2 vestibules. This is a game changer for organization. You can tuck your muddy boots and wet gear under the outer flaps so they do not clutter up your sleeping area. One of those side doors is absolutely huge. It makes tossing in bulky sleeping bags or large air mattresses incredibly easy. You are not fighting with a tiny zipper or trying to shove a square peg through a round hole. Setting it up is a refreshingly simple process even though the tent is massive. It uses a 4-pole system. You start by staking the corners to give yourself a solid base. Then you put together the main crossing poles to create the primary structure. Once the body is clipped on, you slide in the side poles. These are the magic pieces because they pull the walls outward rather than letting them sag inward. It creates a vertical wall effect that maximizes every inch of that floor space. The Rainfly uses color-coded buckles so you're not spinning in circles trying to figure out which corner goes where. With 2 people working together, you can have this thing ready for bed in about 10 minutes. If you are trying to do it alone, it is doable. But be prepared for a bit of a wrestling match if there is even a slight breeze. Because of its height, it does catch the wind. It is a solid performer in rain and moderate storms. But it is not built for high-altitude mountain peaks or extreme gales. It is a car camping specialist. At 18 pounds, you are definitely not hiking miles with this on your back. It is heavy because the materials are high quality. The aluminum poles are sturdy and the fabric feels like it can take a beating from kids and dogs alike. Many owners consider this a long-term investment. You pay a bit more upfront, but you avoid the frustration of cheap zippers breaking or pole snapping during your second trip. It is a premium shelter for people who value comfort and sanity over shaving every last ounce of weight. If you want to feel like a human being while you are living outdoors, this is the way to do it. Just remember to pack it in the car and leave the backpacking gear for another day. It is all about making the woods feel a little more like home.